What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Jake with EightLugMafia. In this video I'm going to be playing for you right here. It went over 150,000 views on my Instagram, so I wanted to post it to my YouTube as well as give you guys some bonus footage. Basically, you're going to be getting my girlfriend's reaction as well as my 2-year-old daughter's reaction. It was actually her birthday the day that I filmed it, so it was a pretty special little family moment. So to give you a little bit of a background timeline to this video, I booked the ticket to go get this truck 2 weeks in advance. In the meantime, while waiting, Amy gave birth to our twins. So the time I actually flew out and got it and drove it home, she hadn't got to see it for like another 2 weeks after that. So with that, I'll go ahead and let this clip play, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Holy shit, you can't even see inside it.
No, it's so dark.
Oh my god, I can't see a thing.
Yeah, the windshield's tinted too.
Is it? Oh, baby.
Yeah, sit on it.
Bench seats.
Probably put her up in there with you.
Where's Mama? Go on, Garden.
The keys in it? I know. The key's right there.
No? Not a fan?
You can start it, see if it'll start. Just turn it, wait for the weight to start.
Can I do it now?
So wait to start. You gotta wait till it goes out. And then you gotta push that pedal all the way to the floor.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, because that's the brake.
Yeah, it's gonna go all the way to the floor. So do that and then take it out of gear.
Oh. Is it out of gear?
Yeah. Close the mama in there. Bye, mama. See you later, mama. Ooh, it's stinky. It's a stinky truck.
Whoa!
Whoa, huh? Pretty cool. What do you think, baby?
Come on, Mama.
You go for a ride with mama? Truck cool?
It's cool. I like it. It's new baby color.
Yeah. Baby, that truck is very stinky, huh? What a stinky truck, huh? Whoa! Say, sorry EPA, these stinky trucks are fun.
Oh,